Did you know the typical e-commerce brand can generate at least 20% of its total revenue through email marketing? And guess what? Adding anywhere between 20 to 50% in new revenue using your existing customer database without spending a single dollar on paid ads has never been simpler. This is exactly why we made this free email marketing masterclass here in Klaviyo. Sounds too good to be true? Just see for yourself. In just a few months, we boosted this store's email marketing revenue from $2,500 per month to $51,000 per month, generating a total of $126,000 per month in sales using the simple strategies you'll learn inside of this masterclass. Or this store we took on when it had already been running some email marketing in-house for quite some time. It had all this existing data, we audited the account, applied our strategies, and took their Klaviyo revenue from $7,000 per month to nearly $100,000 per month in additional email marketing revenue. All that in under 4 months. This is an extreme level of growth at the top level, but it shows you the results that we can get by applying these simple strategies that you will learn inside of this free masterclass. I honestly wish that I had this free masterclass when I started out with email and SMS marketing. It would have saved me a ton of time and wasted money. We made all of our videos easy to follow and understand, even if you've never touched a Klaviyo account before. We kept our videos short, practical, and filled with real examples from real accounts. To make your life easier, we even included our exact templates, which you can download inside the description section of our videos. You'll receive access to the exact strategies and tactics that we've refined over the years of scaling up email and SMS marketing funnels for e-commerce stores. But first, who the hell am I? For those who are new to this channel and this series, hi, I'm Nate and I run Klaviyo Agency. We made this channel your one-stop shop for everything you need to know about scaling up your email and SMS marketing for your e-commerce store. With over 200 direct-to-consumer brands successfully scaled under our belt, we've got some valuable insights to share. If you're interested in diving deeper, all the video lessons are just a click away. You'll find a link in the description box, or you can hit this card right there. Get ready to master the art of setting up, optimizing, and scaling email and SMS marketing flows and campaigns that will drive maximum profits. Here's what you'll learn. We'll provide step-by-step guidance on how to set up your automation emails, aka flows, to fit into your customer journey. Discover our proven strategies to optimize your sign-up process, accelerating list growth, and driving more sales as a sweet bonus. Get expert tips on planning monthly campaigns that effectively engage and captivate your customers to buy from you time and time again. Unlock hidden opportunities by strategically segmenting your subscriber list to create more meaningful connection with your customers. Learn how to improve your email deliverability to ensure your emails land inside of your customers' inboxes. Gain the skills to read and interpret your analytics, empowering you to take data-driven decisions for your email and SMS marketing strategies. But that's not all. We've got some incredible bonuses waiting for you. You'll learn how to leverage AI to turbocharge your email and SMS marketing in minutes instead of hours. How to create consistent branding across all your marketing channels using the tools you already have. Must-have Chrome extensions that you'll need for your email and SMS marketing success, and so much more. Oh, and don't worry if you're not familiar with Klaviyo, our go-to platform. The strategies we cover can be applied to any email service provider you prefer. Now, you may be thinking, why is this masterclass free? What's the catch? Here's the deal. We're a team of e-com experts who help scale stores from $20,000 per month to $500,000 and more per month. And we usually work with stores already making at least $20,000 per month. So why we created this free masterclass? Simple. We want to help you hit those big numbers as fast as possible. That's why we've packed this masterclass with everything you need to make your email and SMS marketing scale quickly. No upsells or hidden agendas. We're giving you all the good stuff, even better than some paid courses out there. And when you hit those big milestones and need some extra help, you're welcome to reach out to our team of e-commerce experts for help. By the end of this masterclass, you'll have both the knowledge and the tools to turn your email and SMS marketing lists into an ATM for your e-commerce store. We've put a ton of time and effort into this masterclass to make it the best it could be. And we're here to support you every step of the way. So, are you ready to take your email and SMS marketing to the next level? Join our free email and SMS marketing masterclass now and unlock the full potential of your sales. Check the description box for the link to our email and SMS marketing masterclass playlist, or click the link right here. Share the love and pass it on to a friend who can benefit from this masterclass as well. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below.